Today's a door day. We're going to do a real quick demonstration on how to size the door. Now we've taken the door off of the house, out inside a closet. It's a 24-inch door and we have to cut it down in length. But we have a circumstance that presented itself, and what we have to do is we have to cut the door off two different lengths. On the strike side, or the side that goes and closes with the doorknob, we need a 79.5-inch length, and on the side that swings on the hinges, we need a 79.25. Now that's a skewed line, and it's often difficult to do with a skill saw. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a square. We've got our lines predetermined by the width of the foot from the center of the blade over 4 inches, and we're going to run this side of the saw against the square to make a perfect line. Now we've got a skew. That means that we have a line that changes shape on us. Now I've taken 4.5 inches from the line we have to have, and I've marked a line perfectly where we'll put the square in two places. We'll move the square down and align it just like that on those two marks. We'll come to this end, turning your little C-clamp over so that it doesn't bind with the saw. We attach this side of the square to the door. You don't want to go too hard, you don't want to damage, but you do want it secure. And on this side, we're going to clamp it to our workmate, to our bench, so that it's going to make a torsion fit and it won't move once we tighten it down. Now, the square is secure. The next thing you need to do is wearing protective safety glasses. Take your saw, check it over, make sure there's nothing in it, and that you've got it set for a depth that will go through your workpiece. We'll plug this in. And we take our saw and we line it up against our square. You can raise this up and look and see where your mark is. We need to come down just a little bit. Loosen the clamp and slide it down just enough. We just are perfect now. Alright. Watch your fingers. Get your cord ahead of you so that you don't run into it or step on it. You line your saw up. Keep the blade away from the door to start. We have a perfectly straight line that measures. Let's remove our clamp and our square. We want to remeasure and make sure, because if we need to adjust it, we'll do that with sander. And you'll fight that sawdust every time you do this. Always stay right on the line with the door so you don't skew your tape. We have exactly 79.5 inches. And we have exactly 79.1/8 inches. This will fit our opening. That concludes this part of this demonstration.